sending my love of gratitude for all the beautiful comments in my birthday video, all your love. I really appreciate it, my sweet friends. And this video is going to be about how to remove pigmentation of the skin in 7 to 10 nights. You will see some improvement if you use it every day. And so this video for the ones, or this channel for the ones don't know me, this is an anti-aging channel, but also I have some fashion, some makeup, some reviews of skincare, and mostly teaching advanced natural prevention medicine and anti-aging dermatology, which are those my studies. Have studied for many years, and I keep updating my studies every single year to be able to send the information accurate to you guys and share everything I learned, everything that I had put in practice with myself and my patients. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the potato. You could use a potato, raw potato, but in this case I have the potato flour. And let me explain what potato does on your skin. I think I had explained briefly what potato does to the skin in other videos, but I have not made like a recipe or anything like that. But you could do it at home. And all you need is 3 ingredients, and but I am going to explain the benefits of potato. Potato, it is natural bleaching agent for the skin. It helps with the pigmentation. In some cases, even in 3 nights, you could see the results, the improvement. Pigmentation is very hard to treat, but you could get it to a point that it's faded, and also if the pigmentation is not so deep and it hasn't been on your skin for many years, if it's a fresh brown spot, then you'll be able to remove it quicker. And so this ingredient, potato, has good amounts of vitamin C, A, B complex, and vitamin D, and so it is a good source of B complex, which I am very friendly with. B complex is one of my vitamins that I really appreciated a lot because of what it does to the skin, hair, and nails. And also has a particular enzyme called catecholane enzyme that it helps to prevent the discoloration of the skin. And so what you're going to do is take 1 tablespoon. I am going to mix it here with you guys. And this is the company Bob's Red Mill, and it is organic, finely ground potato and flour. And but also you could use raw potato. You could grind the potato and then squeeze the juice of the potato. Also, if you don't want to do that, you could cut in pieces the potato and rub on your face every single night. But this way it will be more effective because it's gonna have 2 other ingredients. And so let me I brought the scissors here, so I am gonna just cut these, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I brought this little container, which I already put the potato flour, but wow, I forgot to bring the water. Could you wait, girls? I'll get the water. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is 100% mountain spring water, and I think the company is Arrowhead, and I am going to mix it with some water and until it becomes a paste. And I have my little spatula here. So let me, maybe more water. So you gotta stir it really good. You gotta stir it really fast because it becomes kind of thick. Okay, it needs more water, my friends. You have to add a lot of water to make into a paste because if you add just a little bit of water, the paste is too thick and you won't be able to apply it on your skin. So if you put a lot of water and stir it until it's into a soft paste, then it took me a while to really mix it into a soft paste. We're gonna put 20 drops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 11, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, I missed the count, but it's 30. Okay, I think it's 30. Yeah, and then you're going to use the coconut oil. In this case is a Nutiva organic coconut oil. This is really pure and it's organic. So so about, let's see here, because I didn't bring a teaspoon, so I am going to do like about 15 sprays of it. Okay, I did 20. Okay, between 15 to 20 sprays, or 1 teaspoon of the and then apply it on your face. This is the way it looks. And leave it for about, I will leave it for about 45 minutes. You could do this every day. This is, oops, this is a more convenient way to do it because you don't have to be cutting the potato, you don't have to be extracting the juice of the potato. This, you just mix it. It takes a little long to mix. So remember, add enough water to mix into a soft paste. But this is very effective. The starch in a potato is what it helps to bleach the skin. It helps also to control the pigmentation of the skin, as well the particular enzyme that the potato has. It helps to prevent the discoloration of the skin. Okay, so do it every night before you go to bed. Very, very important. The next day you have to use a SPF. And before you use this mask, you know, exfoliate and leave it for 45 minutes, like I said. And you're going to see in 7 nights, in some cases in 3 nights, depends how deep the pigmentation is. You'll be able to see a result 7 nights, 14 nights. And so here it is, my friends. And also because the potato has the ability to exfoliate. It will help to stimulate collagen. You be blessed, my sweet friends, and you take care and stay beautiful, and I hope this was a help for you, and see you later. Stay gorgeous.